Is the ditch light switch that fits into the factory spot. So we're gonna run this to this, so that way, nice clean install. So you get your sticker. This is separate. You got to purchase this separately. You have your kind of sales brochure, full-on wiring harness, and both single lights. These are heavy, sturdy, they feel great. I didn't want those. I like the Baja Design fogs. Great company, great light output. Just a little too big for me for putting it on the pillars. So this kit comes with the lights, wiring harness, and these brackets. Yeah, it's a low profile bracket. It looks like they've been powder coated, well bent. Gives you the option of sliding them where you want to be. I think these are the Rago brackets. Let me see. Yeah, see the R there. But they do seem well made, the Rago. Also sticker. Thank you card. Install help for the brackets. And they give you candy, which is a nice touch. But yeah, that's the unboxing. I mean, it was shipped well, done well. Like I said, these lights feel great. I'll put a link to them below, and I will be installing these later on today if it doesn't rain.